Computational craft is a hybrid practice between digital and analog techniques. This means I make art between my hand and digital tools. Computational craft allows me to use indigenous techniques such as textiles, beadwork, and clay. At the same time, I'm using new technologies such as neural networks, 3D printing, and digital weaving. This is how I innovate new kinds of artworks that are both made by hand and by digital tools. In my piece Spiral on Red, for example, I have taken a Hubble telescope image of the Milky Way and reinterpreted each pixel into a set of complex weave structures. Then on the digital Jacquard loom, using hand-dyed yarn, I've woven a constellation of star patterns, such as the 8-pointed star, which is a common Huichol indigenous symbol. By analyzing these kinds of hybrid digital and analog forms, I'm able to question the boundaries between the ancient and the futuristic, the handmade and the automated, and the earthly and otherworldly. Computational craft suggests new possibilities, how we define ourselves to the past and to emerging technology. And that's my research in 60 seconds.